I had AI write this entire script for this YouTube video. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. This is what the AI wrote. So whether it's good or not, we're gonna figure it out. I haven't read over it yet, so we're just gonna be going blindly as we go in. So here we go, let's get right into it, guys. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about ways to make money in 2023. First and foremost, let's start with the basics. Have you ever considered getting a part-time or full-time job? There are many opportunities out there for people looking for employment, whether it be in a traditional office setting or a remote setting. Make sure to brush up on your resume and your cover letter, and consider reaching out to recruiters and job placement agencies for assistance in finding the right job for you. Another option to consider is starting your own business. This can be a great way to make money while also having the freedom to work on your own terms. Think about your skills and passion and see if there's a way to turn that into a profitable venture. Don't be afraid to seek out advice and mentorship from successful people in your niche. If you're interested in making money online, there are many opportunities in that field as well. You can start a blog or a YouTube channel and monetize there. You can monetize there through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Alternatively, you can sell products or services remotely through e-commerce platforms such as eBay and Etsy. Another way to make money online is through freelancing. There are a variety of websites where you can offer your services such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can also consider offering your expertise through services such as consulting or coaching. That was a little bad. I couldn't remember what the word was. That's okay though. Finally, don't forget about the power of saving and investing. While it may not provide an immediate source of income, building up your savings and investing wisely can help you make money in the long run. It's never too early to start planning for your financial future. I hope these ideas have given you some inspiration to make money in 2023. Remember to always be proactive and keep an open mind, as there are many ways that you can make money every single day. There are opportunities out there waiting to be seized. Thank you for watching and have a great day, guys. Okay, so that is what the AI wrote for me. What I put was, I went to this website called GPT, pretty much. I mean, it's a free website. You log in and it's an AI. And what I put in the search bar was, write me a YouTube script for a video about making money in 2023. And the website had reloaded since I looked it up. That kind of sucks, but I had actually copied and pasted it in my notes. And so this is, as you can see, this is, sorry, the ring light is a little annoying. Let's turn that off really quick. So as you can see, I just put AI up there, and this is what the AI put. And I just read that off for you guys. I tried to make it not so alienated. I think I did a decent job, but it wrote this entire script just off of me doing that one little thing. And I think that's honestly quite amazing. And I think that that's gonna be a very big piece of tech that will be utilized here in the very near future, if it hasn't already been utilized already by plenty of people out in the world. So I just wanted to throw that out there and let you guys know how crazy that was. So I just did a whole video that I didn't even write. I don't even remember anything about it. I mean, I didn't even think any of those ideas. Those are all ideas that are made up from artificial intelligence. If that's not crazy to you guys, I don't know what is. Whether you like that or dislike that, it's pretty cool. I mean, you can't deny that that's a pretty cool thing, that artificial intelligence can make up a not only pretty decent script, but a relevant script for people in my niche, as well as people who want to make money this year. It's not like from 1995, or it's not from 2012, it's not from even 2020. It is brand new and fresh, and that is absolutely insane. And so I just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys ever want to use it, it's free. This video is not sponsored by them. I wish it was. If you guys want to, just click that link down there. The website is free. You just look up GPT, and once you open it up, you scroll down like a tiny little bit, and you just click try AI. And once you get in there, you just sign in with your email or whatever you choose. I think you can do a username as well. And then you can ask it whatever question you want. Look, we'll run right here in real time with no editing. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. It just says new chat up here at the bottom. Here's some cool, some possible things. Examples of questions, as well as capabilities of what it can do and limitations. So we're gonna ask a question right here, and we're gonna see I'm gonna ask a question that you really couldn't get an answer from a regular person. So explain the difference between, let's see, racing fuel and gasoline. And look at it, just type out right there, live time, all of the information about the differences between racing fuel and gasoline. This is all real time, guys. All typing it as we speak, right on my iPhone, on my browser, right here. Look at how long it is. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. I don't even know what it's saying yet, and it just keeps on going. Okay, that's it. Let's just read the top little part and see what it says. Racing fuel is a high-octane gasoline that is specifically designed for high-performance vehicles, such as racing cars. It is formulated to provide a more consistent and powerful burn than regular gasoline. It is typically used in motorsports where engines are pushed to their limits. Racing fuel is generally more expensive than regular gasoline and is not suitable for use in everyday vehicles. Okay, I don't know about you. I like cars. I think they're cool, and I know, I would say, a small amount about them. Not every single person who knows stuff about cars knows the difference between regular fuel, gasoline, 87, 91, 92 octane, whatever it is, and racing fuel. I mean, they do know that, it's different, obviously, but there's a whole, 4-paragraph essay right there that was literally done like this, just like this, about something that, you can ask it whatever you want, and it just tells you. So that's absolutely insane, and I wanted to show you guys how it works. So that's how the new AI system works. It just came out a few months ago, so if you don't know what it is, give it a try and let me know what you guys think of the new AI system. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next episode. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.